Hey guys, today's video is going to be a bathroom makeover. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this bathroom makeover DIY project started. And to you guys, this is what my bathroom's looking like. I always do a color test, and as you can see, we're getting rid of the blue. I'm going to also show you a panorama view as well. We have the yellow in here, and I will tell you too, you guys, the yellow is still staying. So but you're going to get to see this bathroom in a whole new light. So with that being said, you guys, let's jump right into this DIY bathroom makeover. And two family, we have the bathroom painted. I will let you know we did paint the whole entire bathroom. And as you can see here, my wood here, you guys, we're going to be painting these, and I'm going to be making shelves in this bathroom. You heard me right, we're bringing in shelves. Now you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Aeakey. Aeakey is a seller on Amazon, and they sent me this wall-mounted toothbrush holder with an automatic toothbrush dispenser, you guys. This thing is multifunctional. It has a space-saving design with the squeezer. It has 3 cups and drawers for bathroom organization. Now I'm just going to unbox it, and this is what it's looking like. I will tell you guys, this does come in black, gray. They also have pink, but it wasn't in stock, and it also comes in 2 cups, 3 cups, or 4 cups. I'm going to drop all of that information down in my description. If this is something I think that will be useful to you, make sure you click that link and check them out. Also to you guys, it did come with a set of stickers, and you know TT will be the recipient of the stickers, and I'm assuming that the stickers was to label the cups as well, but TT will get those. Now this all-in-one automatic toothbrush dispenser is a wall mount toothbrush holder that's designed with an innovative automatic toothpaste dispenser that squeezes out just the right amount of toothpaste, preventing waste and saving you money on your toothpaste as well. So we can say goodbye to all of the messiness of unhygienic tubes of toothpaste. This magnetic toothbrush holder for your bathroom is also a waterproof toothbrush holder with magnetic cups, and you're going to see that as well as I'm taking out the cups. And you guys, this does have a shelf on the top along with a storage door. You heard me right. You can also have a space to stick little small things in your makeup, or just small minor things as well. You see here I'm sitting it on the top, and I'm also going to show you how the cups stick on the bottom as well. Also you guys, this was very easy to install, so you'll be seeing that here shortly. What I didn't show you guys, which I will show you in another video, you guys, that you can pull the toothpaste dispenser part out so you can clean it. Now these cups just connect right on, you guys. Simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. Rinse your mouth, brush your teeth, rinse your mouth, wash the cups off, and stick them back, and they stay there. I'm telling you, very handy, and I'm actually loving it. I'm going to show you how to put the tabs on, and they go on here in the back, you guys. And like I say, these are self-adhesive tabs, and you guys, these tabs are extremely, and I mean extremely sticky. When you put them on, I actually didn't move the caddy, and once I moved the caddy, I will tell you, it did pull some of the stripping off of the wall. So I will tell you, once you put this in place correctly, it's going to stay in place. but these is where the tabs on this 3-cup holder go. I do know the tabs are different for the 2-cup holder, so be mindful of that if you would like that 2-cup holder. Once again, it comes with 2 cups, 3 cups, or 4 cups. So you guys, and we're getting ready to set it up, and you see that is looks like a tab that is on the sticker that actually slides up in that groove, and we're just sticking it on and placing it in so we can put this where we want. And we're just mounting it here in the bathroom for this bathroom makeover. To you guys, make sure you do catch part 2 of this bathroom makeover. We are going to be doing another makeover addition to this bathroom, but this is the first part. Now we're getting ready to mount this toothbrush holder, or like I would like to say, this toothbrush caddy to the wall. I'm gonna adjust the camera for you to see. Now you guys remember my bathroom space is small, but we're just setting it up, and we're just placing all of the items to the toothbrush holder. And see your cups, and we're just taking off that cap so we can install in our toothpaste. Now we'll tell you to you guys, I do have another one that will be utilizing so that you can install any toothpaste. And you guys, the toothpaste just stuck right in. You twist it a little bit and it's all set to go. And I'm just placing some items here, some of TT items that is here, to let you see that it is strong enough to hold things. And also with the little drawer, you can place things in there. As you can see how the toothpaste aligned on my toothbrush in my hand. You guys, I did not realize that I cut that clip out. But now you guys, let's jump right back into painting these shelves. And thank you, Aeakey, for reaching out to me to sponsor this portion of the video. And if you're still watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you're coming back every day. We're going to bring you some content. You guys, I was trying to paint, hold the phone, and talk and do several things at one time. But we're just going to paint up these shelves. And we're going to hurry up and get these shelves painted so you can see the end portion of part 1 of this bathroom makeover. And you guys, we're going to be bringing you this makeover in several different parts, because I had things coming in at different times and I was crunched for space, so I had to clear and edit things out so I can get you this content so you can see the whole phases of this bathroom. And as you can see here, I'm doing another panorama view that the whole entire space is painted. And you guys, I did paint everything in the bathroom, you guys, and this bathroom is so white. It is so vibrant, you guys. Now I cannot wait to get the sink in, you guys. But as you can see here, we're getting ready to move on to another phase. Make sure you do come back, you guys, this afternoon at 6 p.m. for the second part of the video. I will let you know, you guys, we did change out the lighting, so make sure you come back, and you will see with the lighting, the shelves will be going up, I think kind of sort of in the same video. But make sure you come back today and check out what the next phase of this bathroom makeover is, you guys. And to drop me a comment down in the comment section, you guys. Are you going through any home renovations? I will tell you, all renovations and makeovers in your home does not have to be extremely pricey. We are making over this bathroom still on a budget, you guys, still saving money. Also, not just saving money, but adding value and enhancing the space as well. We are going to be putting down laminate flooring and replacing the sink as well, but this is what it's looking like. You guys, we did repaint everything. We got new hardware coming as well. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. We'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.